What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words that connect two or more clauses or small sentences. For example, look at these sentences. I was tired. I sat on the rock for a few minutes. When you use a conjunction, they become I was tired, so I sat on the rock for a few minutes. So is a conjunction here that combines both the smaller sentences or clauses into a single sentence that is more presentable and easy to read. Take for example this sentence. I would have bought this house, but I don't have enough money. But is a conjunction in this sentence because it joins two simple sentences. I would have bought this house and I don't have enough money. Here is another example. I tried the new recipe and everyone loved it at home. And is a conjunction in this sentence because it joins two simple sentences. I tried the new recipe and everyone loved it at home. But and are coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to join simple sentences and clauses that are complete in themselves and don't depend on each other to make sense. We will come back to coordinating conjunctions. Let's see how many types of conjunctions are there. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are also called coordinators. These are a group of words that connect two simple sentences or clauses that are complete in themselves. As we saw in the examples of I would have bought this house, but I don't have enough money, and I tried the new recipe and everyone loved it at home. The main quality of coordinating conjunctions is that they connect independent clauses or simple sentences that are complete in themselves. Coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so on. Sentence using for. We were enamored, for he sang quite well. Sentence using and. We watched the movie and we had dinner together. Sentence using nor. I don't slack, nor do I want you to be lazy. Sentence using but. I wanted to say something, but you were too busy. Sentence using or. You can carry the bag or you can carry the baby. Sentence using yet. The evidence was presented, yet he got acquitted. Sentence using so. We missed the last bus, so we hired a taxi. What are subordinated conjunctions? These are a group of words that connect an independent clause with a dependent clause or a complete sentence with a sentence that depends on the complete sentence. Two examples of subordinating conjunctions. Robin couldn't stand still because he was constantly feeling itchy in his feet. After mending the window, they quietly left the house while he was sleeping. Because is a subordinating conjunction that is used to present a reason. In the second sentence, after is the subordinating conjunction. Here are some examples of subordinating conjunctions. Before he could say something, she stormed out of the room. Before is the conjunction. He has gotten into fights twice since he moved to the neighborhood. Since is the conjunction. Kiran cried whenever she thought of her dead mother. Whenever is the conjunction. Here is a list of subordinating conjunctions. Now we come to correlative conjunctions. Whereas coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions are defined on the basis of independent and dependent clauses, correlative conjunctions are defined as pairs. They exist in pairs such as either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, and so on. Here are some examples of correlative conjunctions. Both spoken and written English are useful when you work in a multinational company. Not only the food was delicious, but also very easy to make. More sentences using correlative conjunctions. You either show us your documents or we are going to arrest you. Whether she stayed or left, it made no difference to him. No sooner had he remembered he had forgotten to take the umbrella than it started raining. Here is a good pointer I came across while preparing this video about subject-verb agreement when using either or and neither nor. Either the mother or the daughter opens the gate for the milkman. Please note that it is opens and not open. Either he or his parents comfort the dog during the fireworks. It is comfort and not comforts. Neither a policeman nor a guard was there when the robbery took place. Note that it is was and not were. This concludes the video on conjunctions. Do leave your comments and let me know whether this video was helpful or not. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the video or press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos.